Hi guys. I'm sure probably some of you have actually thought about this question. Like, is freelance writing flooded? Is there room for me? Can I still get into freelance writing? If so many gurus are talking about freelance writing and everyone ends up joining and becoming a writer, will there be enough space for all of us? Will I still get jobs? If some of the like YouTubers like me share about freelance writing jobs and everyone is seeing them, will I still get a chance of getting landing a job? Like, the big question is freelance writing getting flooded? hmm have you ever thought about this question? Today I'm going to answer it for you. I've just done a quick search, and so this is not like 100% 100% researched, but I'm going to give you an overview that will help you answer these questions. Okay, so we are going to get nerdy right now. So if you don't want to hear about numbers, then you had just better click away, because I'm just going to get nerdy. Okay, this is a very brief research, so let's go to it. I'm doing this on my phone, so bear with me with all the back and forth. Okay, it's totally unfiltered, no editing. All right, so I did a quick Google search, and this is what I searched for. Um, how many companies, how many businesses are being started daily? I'll tell you why I researched for this. So, just the first answer that came up, as you can see up there, Worldwide Business Startups. That's the website Moyak. So, they've said at about 137,000 businesses are being started daily, and that's worldwide. Okay, stay with me. That's 137,000 businesses daily. Okay, then I did a second search, and the second search was how many people, how many people are being born each day. hmm So here there was per year, that's 140 million babies per year. But down here, this website about babycenter.com, they say worldwide around 385,000 babies are being born each day. Okay, so if you have 137,000 businesses being made daily, like starting daily, and 385,000 babies being born daily, that's approximately, I did the math already, that's approximately 2.8 baby 2.8, like if you divide the number of babies by the number of companies, that's about 2.8 babies per every company being born, being started daily. Okay, so let's just say three, just for the sake of making all this easier. All right, so let's yeah, this is better. Okay, so if we have, for every one business that's being started daily, there are three children being born every day. So do you think that if everyone gets into freelance writing, let's just say everyone gets into freelance writing, will there be space for everyone? I would say yes, a resounding yes, yes, yes. You know why? Because for every why? Let me now say why I did all this research, very brief research. It's because every company actually needs copy. Copy is like the content that they write on their website, or even if it's not on their website, it's on their brochures. If it's not on their brochures, if it's on their, maybe they have an announcement that's you need a writer to write that and all that. So every company needs copy. And for most companies, in the long run, they will start hiring people, like especially when they become very successful. If someone starts a business, a solo business, a solopreneur, at the beginning they may do everything on their own, but with time, they eventually hire people to do like almost everything, and they remain just doing the major, the major business, the major task of growing the business. So I would give an estimate of, for every one company, they would need even more than five writers in the long run, even more than five writers. Let me break that down for you. So if maybe they have one writer to do the advertisements, and then they have another writer to write the content on their blogs, and then they have another writer to do what? Sorry, to write the web content, and then they have another writer, and they have some writers who actually serve as editors, and they need editors for all these positions. And then in some cases, you have several editors editing the same content. So as you can see, actually the numbers add up. Like every company would need so many writers Okay, and this is the assumption that all these companies are making websites. And actually, I should have done that search. I don't want to do it here. I think it may take me a bit long. But I'm the every company, there's so many websites being started. Okay, so for all these companies, if they start a website, they need all these writers. And even if they don't start a website, because as I've said before, freelance writing is not only about writing online, you can actually write offline, okay, for newspapers, magazines, and etc. So as you can see, if every if everyone decides to get into writing, there'll be space for all of us and even more. Let me get even more to more numbers. um, I may not give exact figures, but I've just searched for how many companies or businesses are being started daily. We've not talked about individuals starting websites, just websites that are not, they don't start up businesses. It's just a plain website. We've not talked about those. We've not talked about people who are writing books. And yeah, I'm on the topic of books. Just remember, there's a friend of mine called Dr. Chebsi. He's writing a book that you want to check out. It's about to be launched. So, okay, sorry, I digress. So, how many people are writing books and they need people to help them to write, ghostwriters? Mm-hmm. Guys, the opportunity is huge, 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 huge to get into freelance writing. So, if you've been wondering if it's getting flooded, like if you get into it, maybe you won't get an opportunity to write, or you won't get clients, you are wrong, my friend. And be encouraged that you're actually wrong, because there is space for all of us. All right, so hang on tight. Get into freelance writing if you have an interest in it. And actually, I'm going to be sharing about how professionals can get into freelance writing. So look out for that here on the YouTube channel. And I'm going to be sharing it on, all my other platforms, TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. So watch out for all that. Okay, let's continue grinding, my friends. If you're not into freelance writing yet, get ready to get into it. There's no hurry. I'm not just saying like just get into it and start, getting too excited and prematurely looking for clients. No, no, no. Just strategize, decide when you want to start, and we'll be here to guide you. The ones who've gone before you, we are not necessarily the best of the best. Trust me, I'm not the best writer. But at least because we've gone before you, we will guide you. We will hold your hands, and yeah, you can, join the club. And many other ways of making money online. Trust me, I don't only just talk about writing. There are many other ways of making money online that I share on my channel. And yeah, I think now I'm really digressing. Okay, bye guys, that was it. It was supposed to be a very, very short video. Okay, have a good day. Bye guys.